Hello guys, so we're gonna be creating a layer 2 or layer 3 over whatever layer 2 or something. I don't know. It's either the one of the ways around, but here's the topology. We're gonna have a layer 2 trunk port going cross to cross, but we're gonna also be putting layer 2 and then putting we're gonna be doing OSPF over a VLAN. Something like that. But we're using Cisco, used to Juniper, so we're just gonna let these two switches cook. Right. Yeah. I mean, this is the topology, right? So pretty much what we're doing. There you go. Just let it do its thing. But yeah, this is the topology. It's taking a while to get up, so yeah. Just let the time pass. Do something in between. Let me go on my phone. Okay, cool. This should be done. So let's do enable and then conf t. So and then we're gonna do no IP domain lookup. There you go. And then we're gonna enable IP routing. These are layer 3 switches. So the same to this one. Enable conf t lookup. Okay. First step is actually we're gonna name these right. Host SW1 and then host SW2. Okay. Okay, so the first step is to create a VLAN, right? And we're gonna use like just a VLAN 100 to pass these two. So let's add there. VLAN 100. Cool. There we go. VLAN 100 is gonna be used to interconnect these two as a trunk port. So let's create VLAN 100, right? Name VLAN 100. Okay, and we'll do the same to the other side. Okay, cool. And then if we do a do show IP in brief, we should be able to see it. Oh, wait, no, not in brief, sorry. Do show VLANs. Do show VLAN brief, sorry. Bear with me. Oh, shoot. Did I even create the VLAN? Hmm. Is it there? Let's see, is it there? Is it supposed to be VLAN? It's not IP. We can. Yeah, I was in the right spot. Cool. Oh, now it's there. Okay, I don't know what happened, but it's there. So, yeah, if we do a do show VLAN brief, it should be here too. That's not. Okay, so I guess we have to exit and join back in. There you go. Cool. There you go. Okay, that fixes it. But let's go and check this out now. We're gonna go and we're gonna create our SVIs. So interface VLAN 100. Right. So you probably guess what I'm trying to do here. Um we're gonna be doing trunk, right? But the way that the OSPF is gonna connect is we're gonna be using the SVIs to route their to advertise their routes. So that's the main goal of this video. So let's do interface VLAN 100, and we're gonna give it like an address, right? So let's do IP add 100.100. 255. What the heck? Why am I delete? What is this? Oh, it's because of that. Okay, IP add 100.100.100. Okay, there you go. /30 network. And I don't think you need a no shut for this. I mean, you know what, we're doing no shut. There you go. Okay. And then while we're at it, we're gonna make a loopback. So interface loopback 0. So give it we'll give it an IP address of 1, and there you go. Okay, cool. We're gonna do the same thing for this one. So IP 100. Okay, then IP add. I hate this. IP add. No. IP add 100.100.100.2. 255. 255.0. 252. There you go. Cool. And there you go. Should be good. Interface loopback 0. 2. Sorry. Okay. So now that we created a /32 loopback and everything, let's do a show IP to get a look of all the stuff that we got going on for us. Okay. Oh, administratively down. So we're gonna do interface VLAN 100, right, and do a no shut. Cool. Still down, but yeah. There you go. So yeah, there you go. Now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna get the G00 ports and change them to trunk mode and allow VLAN 100. So let's go to interface G00. Let's grab this. Sorry. Okay. So switch port, right? Switch port mode trunk. Sorry, that's it. Interface with trunk encapsulation is autos. Cannot be configured trunk. Switch port encapsulation. Let's see what the switch ports there. I don't know what auto state is, but see if we can. Okay. Okay, cool. I guess it's there, right? So let's see if we can show VLAN 3. Not sticking to it. Okay. Interface interface G00. Actually, let's do show run and see what is the problem. So let's go. Negotiation auto. Let's get this out of here. So it's like technically a access port right now. So let's turn it into a trunk, I guess. So interface 00. Let's change the negotiation. So I guess let's Control C this. What am I even doing? Control C. Oh, I have to go through this. Oh, there we go. Conf T interface. Okay. Negotiation right there. Cool. We found it. Negotiation. There you go. Cool. Switch port mode trunk. What? Give me a second, guys. It's not in trunk mode. That's what makes me upset. What is this? Command rejected. No switch port non-negotiate. Support no trunk. What? What? Yeah, we don't know that. That's not what it is. What about switch port mode access? What? What? There's no way. There's no way it's now an access port. What? Let's Google this, guys. We will have to Google this. I already have it Googled, but what is ISL? Okay, we have to do this. Switchboard trunk encapsulation. What? I didn't know I needed to do that. I'm an idiot. That's wild. Or what? Hey, wait. Switch port trunk encapsulation. Oh, we have to do that. What? .1Q. Let's see the description. .1Q. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, that makes sense. Oh, that's why it's like that. Nice. Okay, now we can do a do show run, see if it works, right? Keep this just in case. Okay, cool. So we'll go interface G00, right? 0/0, right? Switch port encapsulation, switch port mode trunk, capsule. Bro. Capsule. Switch port trunk encapsulation.1Q. Switch port mode trunk. Switch port trunk allowed VLAN. Nice. But I think we should be able to ping now. Oopsies. Goodness. I hate these log messages. I might actually find a command for that. Or not switch port. So let's see if we can ping the other side to interface. Nice. Let's ping their loopback. I don't think we should be able to. Okay, this is not routing anything. Okay, so there you go. Of course, .100.2, of course, but we're able to see the other side because we encapsulate the 100. So we're able to ping the SVI on the other side. Okay, cool. And then let's do copy run start. Just because in case my computer crashes. But yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's do N, copy run start. Okay. And then now, right now, okay, now we can do a show VLAN brief, and we should be able to see it. I don't know why it's not there. Where is it? How come I can't see the VLAN being? Oh wait, no, it's because it's not an access port. What? Show VLAN brief trunk or what? .1Q. Showed VLAN.1Q tag what? Native? I don't know if we needed to do native. No, we don't do native. Summary. Not access log. Oh shoot, do we need to put VLAN 100 as a native? So lost on that one. I don't think we ever did that. But it's a trunk, so okay. As long as we're able to get the connectivity to the other side and we're encapsulating it using VLAN 100. Okay, so there you go. We're able to do this now. But this is just purely layer 2, right? The layer 3 part starts when we start adding in our interfaces. So right? So now we're here, right? And let's configure the PC side. So let's do G 0/1 just to make it easy. Interface G0/1. Give it an IP address of I don't know, 192.168.1.1. There you go. .0. Okay, cool. What? What do you mean? What's going on? Interface. Gigabit Ethernet. Oh! Wait. Oh, now I understand. Okay, guys, it's I think we have to do IP routing on this interface. Or interface GI, or not gigabit 0/0/1 doesn't have IP capabilities yet, or it does. Hmm. How to enable layer 3 on an interface? Cisco. Oh, no switch port. Okay, cool. That makes a lot more sense. I just literally had that in my head for some reason. No switch port. And then we can do that. Okay. IP add 192.168. Shoot. I hate these messages. IP add 192.168.1.1.0. Description. Network. There you go. No shot. We show IP brief. Sweet. There you go. And then let's set up the PC here. So IP 192.168.1.2.0 and a gateway of 192.168.1. Cool. Ping 192.168.1. There you go. We're getting stuff. What if, can we ping the loop back? We can ping the loop back. Ping the other side's loop back. Unreachable. There you go. But can we ping 100. Yes, we can. Because it's all local, you know. Okay. Well, we can't ping the other side. See? can't ping the other side because this is an address, right? This is a layer 3 address, right? And we can't ping it. Okay, so let's do the other side now, right? So const interface G0/1 switch port, boom, and then no switch port, and then IP address 2.168.2.1 0 shut description LAN, and there you go. Cool. Now we can do this. IP 192.168.2.2 0 192.168.2.1. There you go. Okay, cool. So we gotta ping gateway to 168.2.1. One should fail first. It's the ARP. Now we're in the ARP. Ping 2.2.2.2. Okay, that should work. That works. It's itself. Now we gotta ping 1.1. Unreachable. Right? And ping 100.1. 100.1. Okay, we're gonna ping it. That's correct. And 1. Remember, layer 3 cannot go through layer 2, right? So that's the crazy part. But now we're gonna go even crazier by adding a router OSPF. So now, router OSPF 1. There you go. Okay, and we're gonna set the passive interfaces to passive interface, right? Passive interface. Yeah, right. Router OSPF. I think we can set passive interface. Yeah, passive interface. Yeah, there you go. G0/1. We want passive interface to be G0/1 because we don't want it to be getting the router advertisements. Passive interface G0/1. There you go. Cool. Okay, now we can go back to the regular interface mode. And just in case, copy run start. Just because we can save this. Right. Copy start. Is there a way that we can save this one? What is this? Echo here, load. Save. Nice. Cool. So let's save this. There you go. Now it saves. Cool. So we do have a run start type of stuff. Nice. Now we keep these. Crazy. Okay, now let's go to OSPF. I was just Googling this earlier because I didn't know how to do it per interface, but if I do have to do this, you know what I mean? But yeah. What is it? Enable router. Okay, I guess we have to do enable router. I mean, okay. Let's go back. Here we go. Prompty, let's enable what? Router? For the password, of course. Okay. Okay, so now, how are we gonna get from here to here? Right? It's not gonna be through the physical interface, the G00s, because that's layer 2. Actually, how we're going to be doing is that we're going to be going through their SVIs. So if we go to interface VLAN 100, actually, you know what? I never tested it out. I'm being real, guys, but you know what I mean. I never tested it out, but I'm hoping it works. So IP OSPF. Good. Yeah, there you go. So there you go. So it does do this, right? Process ID, IP OSPF 1, and I think area 0, right? Does it take it? Yeah, area 0. There you go. Now, not IP network type, but yeah, that's pretty much what we should do. IP OSPF 1 question mark area 0. Cost, authentication T, TTL, shutdown, priority, network. I think that's it. And let's go put it on the other side. IP interface VLAN 100, IP OSPF 1 area 0. And there you go. We did it. So now if we do a show, now that we do a show IP or show OSPF brief, no, show IP OSPF brief, show IP, I hate my life, guys. There you go. Show IP OSPF. Show IP OSPF. Neighbor. Ah, neighbor. Okay, cool. There you go. Look, see? Ta-da! Ta-da! So, we have a layer 2 interface in between. And we're just using their SVIs to get across. So, yeah. It's good. I'm going to send this to my friend later on. But, yeah. You guys get the gist of it. Thank you guys for watching. This was a lot longer than usual because, I mean, it took a lot longer because, you know, I'm an idiot, right? And I'm still I'm also learning about Cisco, but my job, right, I deal with Junipers, so it's a lot different. I actually started with Cisco, went to Juniper, but now I'm just Juniper, and I'm kind of proficient with the syntax. I'm just trying to transfer it back to Cisco because you can't Juniper on a freaking GNS3, unfortunately. I mean, you can, but too much overhead. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Shoot. Okay. So one minor detail that I got wrong. So I was checking out the IP route table, and I was like, "What is going on? How come there's no connectivity?" Well, guess what? You know how there's like a network command, you can add a lot of networks. So I pretty much was an idiot, and I didn't put it on the G01 interface. So you go to G01 interface on each one, and you also do IP IP OSPF, right? IP OSPF 1 area 0, right? And then I think, yeah. That's pretty much it from there. So now let's go to the other side and let's do T interface G01 IP OSPF 1 area 0, and now PC1 should be able to ping to PC2. See, I was freaking out because this didn't work, but now it should be able to work. There you go. Ta-da! I'm so happy this was working. And it can work vice versa as well. So now we're able to ping. Actually, we can ping the gateway of the other one. So we can now ping 1111. Or whoopsies. Ping 192.168.2.1.1.2. Oh shoot! So look, I'm also an idiot too. We should go to interface loopback too. Interface loopback 0 and IP OSPF 1 area 0. 1 area 0. There you go. Good thing I figured this out, because I was wondering why it didn't work. Because it seemed like everything was good until I didn't. So now, if we go to the routing table via show IP route. Wait, so here we go. Here are the commands, guys. So there's show IP OSPF neighbor. this will show you what is the neighbor on the other side. If you have 2 links, you're gonna see 2 neighbors. If you have 3 links, you have 3 neighbors. Usually 2 links, right? Because you want to do it point to point. It's gonna be full BDR. There is a 2-way, right? Point to point, right? I don't know that configuration yet. I'm kind of tripping out right now. But what you can do is there's also show IP OSPF. I forgot database. There you go. Show IP OSPF database. Boom. Now this one shows a lot better. Process ID 1, right? This is the router ID. You can see the router ID here. There's the age. It shows a lot more cool stuff, and it shows the links. And it looks like we're using the link over here, right? We're using VLAN 100. It's crazy, right? It's crazy. Layer 3 over layer 2 link. Like, I mean, you know what I mean? It's pretty cool. I thought about this when I was at work. I was like, man, I'm just like a, you know, like I'm not that smart, but like I was just starting to learn OSPF, and I was like, oh, wait, maybe you can put it over a layer 2 link. Usually, you know, but if we do the show IP route, now, as you can see, here is our OSPF via VLAN 100 via this, and we should also be seeing the 192.168.2 network. So this is pretty sick. So yeah, 168.2.1, right, and ping 2.6. Show OSPF neighbor, right? Oh, show IP OSPF neighbor. Show IP OSPF neighbor. And show IP OSPF database. Boom. Ta-da! Cool. Alright, thank you guys for watching. There you go. I fixed the problem.